What is going on? Errol here from Aerodynamics Entertainment. You may remember me as such former names such as High Road Comics and the Comic Chief. I don't remember. I don't know. Either way, bringing back the nerd content. I have been kind of on a vacation. I'm gonna rebrand this YouTube channel, and yeah, it's just Errol. If you're following me on Instagram still and you're still subscribed, thanks. Anyway, today I bring you an unboxing of the Ascension, the Zord Ascension program, I guess. Yeah, you already know what this is. The Zord Ascension program, totally unscripted. This is a spur of the moment. I actually have a 1RS hooked up as well to get the whatever. Anyway, check out this box. All right, Power Rangers Lightning Collection. I got this from Hasbro, their warehouse deal, 35% off. It looks pretty sleek. Like here you'll see, the individual Zords. Focus. Yeah, focus. I don't know, man. Using iPhone, I used to do it all the time. I know it's not pro level, but this is my first time. I'm not even gonna edit because I have a MacBook. Since the last time I actually did some creator content, comic book content. Yeah, I'll fix that. No more Macs, no more Apples. Actually, no. Anyway, yeah. So check it out. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. This is the Zord Ascension project. Mighty Morphin Dino Megazord. And check it out. In the corner it says plastic-free packaging. And let's go ahead and actually let me go get a knife. If anyone has seen my friend Francisco, the one that gave me that little Lord of the Rings dagger, can't find it. I think it broke. Yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. You know what? Oh, shoot, I didn't show you this side, and this side looks better anyway to open. Yeah, check out this box. All right, I'm gonna invest. Like, I'm even like against the light in the background. I know, sucks. And this is actually my cracked screen protector on there, so it's a little blurry, but it's whatever. Anyway. Little box break action. It's been a while. So should I go left or right? Go right. Alrighty. So this nice little slip cover reveals the full head of the Dino Megazord. And while you're taking a look at that, I'm going to go ahead and undo the stickers on the back. Fuck up the box. That's okay. I decided I'm also not going to be a hoarder. If anyone on the mainland would like to buy my comic book collection, I will be selling a lot of them. So if you're watching this far, let me know, and maybe I can meet you in California or Vegas. All right, check it out. That's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. You're probably gonna fall because you're not stable. You're not even on a tripod. That's how super cool I am. Wow. Okay, so I will show you the top of the inside of the box, or the inside of the top of the box. Look at that artwork. It's pretty cool. Looks like there's a QR code on the front that I'm gonna scan before I upload this video. But yeah, look at that. Megazord versus Goldar. You remember the pilot episode where Goldar was battling that Megazord, Day of the Dumpster. And then now the main box. the Dino coins or the Morpher coins. And you know what? Let's go ahead and just open it up. If stuff falls out, whatever. But looks like Red Ranger gets a whole side right there. Oh, ha ha ha. And then, oh, I really like the artwork on this. It's very nice. Maybe I'll get tattoos of these. Some more shitty tattoos. Focus. Yes. All right, so this is it. Let's go ahead and start with the Red Ranger. Plastic free. Cool, cool, cool. I'm not gonna put them all together. I just wanted to do an unboxing. Maybe I will, but I'll have to splice it together. I was just gonna do a one-shot video so I didn't have to do any editing at all. Ooh, look at that tail. Look at that tail. Wow. Look at that. So cool. Alrighty. Let's go with Pink Ranger. Pterodactyl. And so, focus. There you go. And then looks like all of the pieces, like little hands, cannons. Ooh, little mini Rangers. I don't know if you could see that. Shit. Blue, black, yellow, pink, and red. I do have the Megazord coming. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Look at that cheapo wrapping for that premium collector. That's okay. I'd rather have plastic, to be honest. And it's a good thing I'm not putting it back in this box because I'm not a hoarder anymore. Alrighty, Mastodon, focus. Cool, cool, cool. While you're looking at that, I'm gonna go ahead and extend this pterodactyl. Oh man. Anyone see that $900 or $800 Optimus Prime, the one that does its own? You know, maybe Hasbro's gonna do one with a Megazord. We'll get suckered in for that. Ooh. All right. If you want to take a look. What's next? Blue Ranger. Triceratops. And I'll form the leg. Just kidding, just kidding. Yeah, I don't want to play around with it. I'll probably just cut the video and then form the Megazord, and then yeah, go from there. Shit, I don't know how to make YouTube content anymore. And then the saber-toothed tiger. Ooh. There you go. There you go, sport. You know what? Might as well do Triceratops. I am super excited for that 30th anniversary special. I heard a rumor, and we do rumors, right? That Billy is going to be the new leader of the team since Austin St. John decided that he doesn't want to be in the thing or the special. Yeah, don't know how this works. Guess I'll break it. Sweet. Don't know what I'm doing. I'll just go ahead and form it up. You know what? If you want to take a look at the insert stuff before I try forming it up, these are instructions I'm going to take a look at. And a warning thing. That's it. Ooh, what's this? Fuck. Anyway, I got them all. I got them all. So here you go. Check it out. In all their glory. So dope. All right, check it out. I did not do a commentary for the battle tank mode or whatever, but this is the completed Megazord. It is not easy to put together, and the instructions are kind of crazy. Like, I don't know, like, get a video tutorial, Hasbro. So cool. It would have been cool if these were like metal die cast. Some of the plastic just isn't working out for me. Like the pterodactyl piece, like when you fold it in, you can see it sticking out a little bit from the front, the right flap. And I tried messing with it. I don't want to break it, but I am impressed. I feel like a little kid. I've always wanted a Megazord. I had a Voltron once. So if Hasbro could do a deluxe Voltron, that'd be pretty sick. Anyway, that's all I got, YouTube.